Now we see the fourth subdivision in first sum. T square plus 72 minus 17t. T square plus 72 minus 17t. Now we have to find the solution. Listen, t square plus 72 minus 17t can be written as 1 t square minus 17t plus 72. Listen, the first step of factorizing the quadratic polynomial. Listen, we multiply the coefficient of t square and constant term. Okay, so the coefficient of t square is 1 and the constant term is 72. So 172 are 72. Then the second step, we split into two numbers of 72. So 72, it can be written as minus 8 into minus 9. Minus 8 into minus 9 is equal to 72. So minus 17t can be written as, listen, t square, as well as you write the t square. So minus 72 can be written as minus 8t minus 9t plus 72. Listen, first we see the two terms. First two terms, t square minus 8t. Here t is the common factor of in these two terms. So we take a common t in outside, then we get t minus 8. Here we see the third and fourth terms, minus 90 plus 72. What is the common one? Minus 9 is the common one. So we take a minus 9 in outside, then we get minus 9 take outside, we get the third term t. The fourth term plus 72. Here we separate the we split the plus minus into minus. Here we take a minus 9 is a common. So the balance have a minus 8. So minus 9 into t minus 8. First we write the common factors t minus 8 and the balance factor t minus 9. Therefore t minus 8 and t minus 9 are the factors of t square minus 17t plus 72. The t minus 8 and t minus 9 are the factors of t square minus 17t plus 72. Are you understand, students? Next we see the second sum. Factorize the following. First subdivision, 2a square plus 9a plus 10. First we write the given algebraic expression 2a square plus 9a plus 10. First step of factorizing the quadratic polynomial, we multiply the coefficient of a square and constant term. So we get 2 into 10, 20. Now we split the 20 into two numbers. That two numbers sum is 9 and the product of two numbers is AC. Okay. So listen, 20 is split into 4 into 5. So we can write 9a is equal to 4a plus 5a. Therefore 2a square plus 4a plus 5a. Here we can write the 9a to 4a plus 4a plus 5a and write as well as we write the 10. So 2a square plus 4a plus 5a plus 10. Now we see the two terms. What is the common one? 2a. So we take a common 2a in outside, then we get in two terms a plus 2. The next we see the third and fourth term. What is the common one? 5. 5 is a common one. So we take plus 5 in outside, then we get third and fourth term a plus 2. So a plus 2, the common factors are a plus 2 into 2a plus 5. So therefore a plus 2 into 2a plus 5 are the factors of 2a square plus 9a plus 10. Okay. Now we see the fourth subdivision. Listen students, 6x square plus 16xy plus 8y square. Here here x square and y square, x square, xy and y square are having. So first we multiply the coefficient of x square and y square. 6x square plus 16xy plus 8y square. Here x square coefficient is 6 and y square coefficient is 8. Then we multiply the coefficient of x square and y square coefficients. 6 8s are 48. Here we split into 48 into two numbers. The two numbers are 12 into 4. Okay, so 12 4s are 48. So we can write 16xy can be written as 12xy plus 4xy, as well as you write 6x square and 8y square. Then we see the first two terms, 6x square plus 12xy. What is the common one? 6x. 6 is the common factor of these two terms. So we take a 6x in common. We take a outside 6x in these two terms. We get x plus 2y. Then third and fourth term, what is the common? 4y. So we take 4y in common in outside. Then we get x plus 2y. So 6x into x plus 2y plus 4y into x plus 2y. So first we write the common factors, x plus 2y, common factor x plus 2y. Then the balance factor 6x plus 4y. So therefore x plus 2y, listen students, x plus 2y into 6x plus 4y. The second factors have a common 2. So we take 2, then comes 3x plus 2y. So x plus 2y, 2 into 3x plus 2y. So factors of 6x square plus 16xy plus 8y square.